Good morning, students. Secretariat High School welcome you all for today's online learning session. Students, today we are going to study in Standard 7, our subject English. We are going to begin with our new Unit 3, lesson number 3.2, topic entitled as Compare a Program. Compare a program. A compare is an official host of a ceremony, a staged event or a program. Comparing a program holds great importance as the success of a program largely depends on the way it is compared. The comparer can be termed as face of the program. So students, let us understand the need to notice the formal, polite language and vocabulary used in this lesson. So let's begin. First, getting ready for the program. Getting ready for the program, the comparer takes charge of the events right from the instruction to the audience. Good morning, friends. It is a pleasure for me to welcome you all to this festive occasion, joyous occasion. Please take your seats. May I request you to keep your mobiles switched off or on silent mode. Let us ring into the merry mood of youthful creative expressions and forget our preoccupations and ringtones for the time being. Preoccupation, the condition of being engrossed with something. So students, the comparer welcomes the audience and requests them to switch off their mobile phones so that they can give undivided attention to the creative expression of the youngsters and not get distracted by their other preoccupations and ringtones, and request them to take their seat so that they can begin the program. So the next program, arrival of the dignitaries. Here students, dignitaries means important person due to his rank or office. So let's read. I am happy to announce the dignitaries have arrived. I request you all to be seated. I request our head girl, Miss Shubhda Murarka, to escort the dignitaries to the dais. Here, escort means students to accompany someone or somewhere. Dais means the platform, the stage. Here the comparer welcomes the important person. The comparer is happy to welcome the invited guest and requests the audience to be seated. The comparer addressed the head girl, Miss Shubhda Murarka, to accompany the important person towards the stage. So now let's read the next step. Commencement of the program. Commencement means beginning of the program. So here the comparer of the program welcomed the guest. So let's read it. Honorable chief guest of today's function and an artist of great renown. So here the comparer welcomed the guest of today's program. The comparer give a speech. From that we learn that we have a great renowned, very famous, very famed artist here. He is none other than Shri Charudatta Diwan. He is a president of Balandan Education Society. So on behalf of their school, the comparer welcomed the guest. The comparer welcomed Shri Avdut Pathak. Our principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi, Vice Principal, Dr. Shaila Singh, all are invited guests, parents, teachers and my dear friends. On behalf of Balandan Vidyalaya, I extend a hearty welcome to you all. Heartily welcome to you all means the comparer is very cheerful to welcome everyone. We have gathered here for the inauguration opening ceremony of our school art festival. So students, from the comparer speech, we learned that Sri Charudatta Diwan is a fame artist and a president. On behalf of Balandan Vidyalaya, the comparer welcomed the principal, vice principal, guests, parents and teachers. As the comparer cheerfully welcomed each and every one for the opening ceremony of their school art festival. So let's read what happened next. Lighting of lamp. The program begin with the lighting of the lamp. Let us begin this auspicious. Auspicious means to be good, to be of good, with something symbolic of knowledge and learning. And for this, I would like to request all the honorable members on the dais to kindly light the traditional lamp and offer prayer. The comparer requests the guest on the stage to serve a symbol of knowledge and learning by lighting the lamp, traditional lamp followed by the prayer. Next, friends, look at the amazing quality of this lamp. When lit, not only does it carry the tremendous potential to break the darkness. Potential, here students, means having the capacity to develop into something in the future, to break the darkness of the night, but also leaves way for 1,000 other lamps to be lit from its flame. Light to the lamp is knowledge. Knowledge too spreads light. It neither divides nor subtracts, it only adds and multiplies. Now the comparer explained the audience that the lamp not only dispels darkness but also leaves way for 1,000 other lamps to be lit with its flame. The comparer highlights that knowledge and lamp are similar in that both spread light. They only add and multiply. So that's what the comparer explained about the traditional lamp. Now the comparer, Miss Anagha Bhatia of Standard 7th and her group will now sing the school song. Now her group, Miss Anagha Bhatia's group will now represent the school song. So that's what we studied about the lighting of the lamp. Now let's proceed to the next sequence of the comparing. Welcome and introduction of the guest, which is very, very important. So let's read. Atiti Deva Bhava. Atiti Deva Bhava means a guest is equivalent to God. So our Indian culture regards guest as God. Let us welcome and honor our distinguished guest. Distinguished means very successful guest. So now the comparer is calling the guest and welcoming him. Next, it is indeed our proud privilege to have amidst us a very eminent here, famous and respected personality from the field of art and culture, renowned artist, a painter of international repute, and proud recipients of many prestigious awards, President of Kalaranjan Academy, Sri Charudatta Diwan. So from the comparer speech, we learn that Sri Charudatta Diwan is a fame artist. He is a painter of international repute. He is a proudly and he has received many honorable awards, and even he is a president of Kalarajan Academy. So see what a personality this person has. Then I would request our principal to welcome him by offering a token of our love and appreciation, that is books, 2 volumes of Cherished. Cherished here, students, means admire. Lives of great artists. We are offering books because flowers might perish, but books can stay forever. Thank you, sir. So now the comparer is requesting the principal, that is Mr. Ajinkya Parakhi, to welcome and offer a token of love, means offer a gratitude by expressing us with a small gift, that is a book named as 2 volumes of Cherished. Means he admired to give the book of Lives of Great Artists. As students, books last forever. Where the comparer said, if we gift a bouquet, that may not last with the person. So book will be a memory. And then finally he thanked the principal. Then what happened next? I would now request the conveyor. Conveyor here, students, means a person who assembles people, or the person who organizes a function. We call them as a conveyor. Conveyor of this art festival, our art teacher, respected Miss Shilpa Sanghani, to welcome the Bacon. Bacon is an important and respected person of our institution, the president of Balandan Academy, Mr. Avdhuk Pathak. So now the comparer is calling upon the conveyor, means a person who organized the function, that is our art teacher, Mrs. Shilpa Sanghani, and welcome the important respected person of our institution, of our organization, of our academy, that is Mr. Avdhuk Pathak. Then what happened? I would now request our school captain and cultural in charge, Ms. Shubhda Murarka, to welcome our ever-inspiring dynamic principal, Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi sir. Our enthusiastic vice principal will be welcomed by Ms. Anagha Bhatia. Thank you, dear Anagha. So now the comparer is requesting the school captain and the cultural in charge to welcome the principal. Anagha Bhatia welcomed the vice principal, and at the end thanked each and every one. So that's what we studied about, how a welcome is being done to our respected chief guest. Now let's proceed ahead. Introductory speech. To appraise means give information about the art festival. I request the principal, respected Dr. Ajinkya Parakhi, to deliver his introductory speech. Now the comparer requests the principal to give introductory speech about this art festival. Then book release. Friends, we have prepared here a volume comprising means consists of photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art which are displayed today on the auditorium. They are artistic and skillful contribution from our students. Auditorium here means the part of a theatre in which the audience sits. So students, the comparer explain about the book release, that the book is a volume consists of photographs of all the beautiful and unique pieces of art contributed by our talented students. Then I request the chief guest to release this special book on this occasion and formally inaugurate the art festival. Thank you, sir. I know this has aroused here means interest, curiosity in you to see the exhibition. After this program, you can take that pleasure. Now the book is formally released, and the comparer thanked the chief guest for releasing the book, formally inaugurating the art festival. And the curiosity, whatever the interest you can have, you can take pleasure by watching and enjoying it. The next entertainment program is the cultural program. I know you all eagerly waiting to listen to the gem of music from our school. We now invite the talented band of musicians to display their talent. We proudly present the Tal Kacheri. Tal Kacheri is nothing but the music concert. Sahil of Standard 10th A will give a vocal radiation. Vocal means a part of music that is sung. Radiation is the performance. And the same piece will be demonstrated on different instruments. Let's enjoy the Tal Kacheri. Varsha on Mrigandam, Vivek on Dholak, Zubin on Tabla and Govind on Gautam. So let us have a big round of applause for the excellent demonstration. So now the comparer invite the music concert presented by students of Standard 10 with their groups. They will be playing different musical instruments will be played, and the comparer appreciate them at the end of the program. The next program was different states display their unique identity through their respective culture. Standard 7C will now give a beautiful presentation of the famous Koli dance from Maharashtra. What a wonderful presentation. Now the students of Standard 7C will display the Maharashtrian dance, that is a Koli dance, and at the end the comparer appreciate their performance. The next cultural program was now a light comedy play will be presented by Standard 9C. I would like to request Standard 9C artists to perform their play, The Boys Comes Home by A.A. Milne. That was indeed a fantastic performance. Now the comparer again appreciate the performer of the students of Standard 9C as they played a very nice skit by a famous person, that is A.A. Milne, and the play name was The Boy Comes Home. So that was really a wonderful performance presented by the students of Balandan Vidyalaya. Now let's see what happened next. Prize distribution. Now the comparer announced for the prize distribution. You are all eagerly waiting for the prize distribution. There are butterflies in your stomach. Butterflies in your stomach, it's a phrase which means to feel very nervous. You will soon be relieved of your anxiety. Anxiety means uneasiness. Everyone is unique in his or her potential. All are talented, yes, but some do perform better and their talent needs to be appreciated. I would now invite the chief guest to declare the prize winners and give away the prizes for the different categories of art. Thank you, sir. Now the comparer, as he announced for the prize distribution, the participants and the audience are excited to hear the results as all performed well. But the comparer requests the chief guest to give away the prizes those who deserved, as all are talented. And at the end the comparer thanked the chief guest. The next, addresses by the chief guest. Addresses by the chief guest. Now the comparer requests the chief guest to motivate the students by his inspiring words. So let's read. I would now request our illustrative, which means respected and admired well-known person, that is chief guest, to address the audience. Thank you, sir. Your speech has given us wonderful insight. Insight means accurate and deep understanding on various aspects of art and culture. We are immensely, which means extremely grateful to you for your invaluable words of enlightenment. So, the comparer is very thankful for giving such a inspiring words, such a deep thought by the chief guest. So all were impressed by the chief guest. And the end of the program, that is vote of thanks. Every program is incomplete without the vote of thanks. So here it's a vote of thanks. Before we draw the curtain, I take the opportunity, I take the chance, the comparer is saying, to thank all those who have lent a helping hand. Lend a helping hand is a phrase which means to help someone to do something, to make this art festival meaningful. And for the formal vote of thanks, I invite the conveyor of this program, our art teacher, Miss Shilpa Sanghani. So the comparer thanked to the each and every participant, the audience, the guest, and for the formal vote of thanks, the comparer call for the teacher. So that's what, students, we have learned the lesson about comparer program is a piece of comparing that serves a model for our students to compare official stage events in their school. So besides all this, the lesson has given a message for all the students. It is to encourage you all for the generation to preserve and pass on our rich art and culture through such events. So if you get any such opportunity to compare a program, so take an opportunity and show your talent. So I hope you all enjoyed my today's lecture, Compare a Program. Thank you, God bless you, and take care.